Come on down now.
Yeah, she's pulling the guns out. Oh, my goodness.
Are you hiding behind
You
me?
gotta warn us.
Is it safe?
That woke us up. Hi.
Don't hide behind
My
me.
name is Pistol Packin Paula. Yeehaw!
Yeah!
That's what she does.
Go for it, Pistol Packin Paula.
I need myself a volunteer. Nick, can you volunteer for me?
No!
Get out here.
Do it.
She already got 2 X's. Bang, bang.
Do it.
Hit the X's.
Do it.
Okay, bend over, bend over.
Bend over.
Here we go. 3 cracks, folks.
He's shaking. You are shaking.
Oh my God.
Whoa!
Wow. That was not cool, okay?
What you just did is classic Americana, and I liked it.
You know, I think if you put something else into your act, as in throwing the pistols up even higher, but that to me wasn't $1
What
million.
about me? She almost killed me.
And I did feel sorry for Nick. Howie, how did you feel about that?
It's very county fairish.
That's fine.
Heidi.
It's cool how you can twirl the guns, yes, but I don't know. I feel like you have to like do more on stage. Sorry.
I think it's time to vote. Howie?
No, I'm sorry.
For me, it's a no. I'm
Okay,
sorry.
No problem.
It's a no from me today, sorry.
Well,
Thank you.
I get it.
Thanks.
Take care. Take care.
Texas. I want to go home.
You are the only one that gets it.
You liked it.
All right, here we go.